Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Wall Street ended sharply lower as investors fretted about a US Federal Reserve gathering later this week in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, that is expected to reinforce a strong commitment by the central bank to stamp out inflation. iFinex, the company responsible for Bitfinex derivatives, announced the launch of a new service offering available to users before the highly anticipated Ethereum merge. The exchange now uses Ethereum chain split tokens. Shanghai-listed Joincare Pharmaceutical Group Industry announced that it has been granted conditional approval to issue GDRs on the SIX Swiss exchange. A week prior to that, Shanghai-listed East Rock Beverage was reported to have issued $500 million worth of GDRs on the Swiss exchange. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.2% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. Tesla's stock gained 1.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie rose 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US non-defense capital goods orders at 12:30 GMT. Finland's producer price index at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction will be released at 0930 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.